Living in a humid environment presents unique challenges for homeowners, especially when it comes to doors. Constant moisture in the air can affect how doors look, feel, and function over time. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, door replacement isn't just about appearance, it's about choosing solutions that can handle high humidity while improving comfort, reliability, and everyday performance. How high humidity impacts older doors. Humidity affects doors in ways that aren't always obvious at first. Over time, excess moisture can cause doors to swell, warp, or lose their proper alignment within the frame. In Pompano Beach homes, these issues often show up as doors that stick, don't close tightly, or allow air to leak around the edges. Even small changes in shape can reduce a door's ability to seal properly, leading to ongoing comfort problems. Why replacement becomes the best solution. While minor issues can sometimes be addressed temporarily, doors that have been repeatedly exposed to humidity often continue to deteriorate. Repairs may offer short-term relief, but they don't always stop the underlying problem. Door replacement allows Pompano Beach homeowners to start fresh with materials and construction designed to better handle humid conditions. A properly replaced door restores reliable operation and improves overall comfort. Choosing materials that resist moisture. One of the most important factors in door replacement for humid environments is material choice. Some materials absorb moisture more easily, leading to swelling or surface damage. Doors designed to resist moisture help maintain their shape and fit over time. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means doors that open and close smoothly and continue to perform well despite constant humidity. Improving sealing to block moist air. Humidity doesn't just affect the door itself, it can also enter the home through small gaps around the frame. Older doors often lose their ability to seal tightly as materials shift or wear down. Replacement doors are designed to close snugly against the frame, reducing gaps where moist air can enter. In Pompano Beach homes, improved sealing helps maintain a more comfortable indoor environment and reduces unwanted moisture intrusion. Enhancing indoor comfort. Near entryway doors that allow humid air inside can make entryways feel sticky or uncomfortable. Over time, this discomfort can spread to nearby rooms. By replacing older doors, Pompano Beach homeowners often notice improved comfort near entry areas. Stable door performance helps regulate indoor conditions and supports a more pleasant living space. Reducing ongoing maintenance concerns. Doors exposed to humidity often require frequent maintenance, such as adjustments, refinishing, or seal replacement. These repeated tasks can become frustrating and time-consuming. Door replacement reduces these demands by providing a door that holds up better under humid conditions. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from fewer repairs and more reliable performance over the long term. Supporting long-term durability. Humidity-related wear doesn't always appear immediately. It can build slowly over time, leading to gradual performance loss. Replacing doors before major failure occurs helps Pompano Beach homeowners avoid future issues. A well-chosen replacement door maintains its structure and function, offering dependable use year after year. Improving daily convenience and reliability. A door that sticks or doesn't seal properly affects daily routines. Struggling with doors during busy mornings or at the end of a long day adds unnecessary stress. Door replacement restores ease of use. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means doors that operate smoothly and close securely every time. A smart upgrade for humid conditions. High humidity demands durable, well-designed door solutions. Replacement doors offer improved resistance, better sealing, and consistent performance. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, door replacement is a practical investment that addresses the challenges of humidity head-on. With the right replacement, doors become a source of comfort rather than frustration, supporting a more reliable, comfortable home for years to come.